Welcome back to NYSE Live. Biotech startup Nabla Bio says that its latest offering, Jam2, is capable of generating drug-quality antibodies straight from the computer. Well, joining me now with more is the company's CEO, Serge Biswas. Serge, great to have you on the show this morning. Walk us through how Jam2 works.
Hey, great to be here. So Jam2 is an AI model that is able to generate drug quality antibody therapeutics and other therapeutics straight from the computer. It's a model that we've developed internally at Nabla. It's trained on a very large amount of proprietary drug measurements we've made in the lab. And this has allowed us to basically internalize all of the key properties that are needed to make high quality protein therapeutics into an AI model and make that whole process entirely push button. So lots of really exciting applications that we're opening up as a result of that.
How does this fit into the broader vision for Nabla Bio?
Yeah, so our goal at Nabla is really to make the entire process of drug discovery and drug development a designable one. So if you look at drug discovery today, it's a highly bespoke process, takes a lot of time, takes a lot of people working on it, and costs millions and millions of dollars to come up with even a single drug candidate. And now we're showing with Jam, with just a small team of 4 people, less than a month of effort, we're able to produce drug quality candidates, again, at a push of a button, reducing costs 100-fold, increasing efficiency in terms of person months per program by a factor of 100. And so it's a really exciting time as these AI models become increasingly accurate down to the atom level that it's allowing us to make drugs in this very push button way.
Mm-hmm. What do you see as some of the biggest challenges facing biotech today?
Yeah, I think if you look at drug discovery today, obviously some incredible medicines have been made, but these really are really blunt instruments, and they're not particularly smart as therapeutics. And we think with AI, we can design therapies that allow us to access many more kinds of diseases with far greater efficiency, and also make drugs a lot smarter. And so if today therapeutics are like hammers, what we're trying to build are surgical scalpels. And I think if we can get there, we're going to be able to unlock entirely new kinds of diseases, make them much more personalized, and also get drugs to go places that no drugs can go today, for example, to the brain or across the gut. And this would allow us to address new kinds of diseases like Alzheimer's, and also make therapies much more convenient for patients too.
Now, we understand you have several partnerships with large pharma companies. How are these collaborations providing new opportunities for your firm?
Yeah, so we're fortunate to be collaborating with some of the largest pharmaceutical companies in the world. Some collaborations we've announced publicly are with AstraZeneca, Bristol Myers Squibb, and Takeda. And one thing that we've found really exciting about these collaborations is AI is opening up entirely new ways of structuring partnerships. And what's working really well for us is we are taking small teams of scientists that are forward deployed into our pharma partners and working alongside them closely with their scientific teams, and using tools like Jam2 as well as a highly autonomous wet lab that we've developed to rapidly make many different drug molecules in many different drug projects happen very quickly. Yeah.
All right, Serge Biswas, Nabla Bio CEO, thank you so much for joining us this morning up early in San Francisco.
Great to be here. Thank you.